We've all heard advice like spend less than you earn or save for a rainy day. And yeah, those are fine. But there's one rule of money that most poor people break, and they don't even realize they're doing it. It's not about skipping Starbucks. It's not about cutting Netflix. In fact, breaking this rule is exactly why so many people work hard, yet stay broke. Sounds dramatic? Stick with me because once you see it, you can't unsee it. So here's what happens. Most people get paid, and the first thing they think about is, what can I buy? New shoes, nice dinner, maybe that phone upgrade you've been eyeing. Nothing wrong with wanting nice stuff. I love nice stuff. But here's the rule they're breaking. The rich buy assets first. The poor buy liabilities first. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. Let me give you a real example. When I got my first job, I spent my very first paycheck on a big TV. I thought I was living the dream. Fast forward 3 months, my bank account was emptier than my fridge, and the TV was mostly used to watch YouTube videos about how to make more money. Meanwhile, my friend Jake took his first paycheck and bought a secondhand camera. He started doing photos for events on weekends. Within a year, that $300 camera turned into $3,000 of side hustle income. That's the difference. I bought something that looked rich. He bought something that made him richer. The problem is, if you always buy liabilities first, cars, gadgets, clothes, subscriptions, your money works for other people. The store gets richer. The bank gets richer. The landlord gets richer. But you just get more bills. The rich flip that script. They make sure their money works for them before it works for anyone else. That might mean buying stocks, starting a side business, or even learning a skill that boosts their income. Here's the simple habit. Every time you get paid, take a slice, even if it's tiny, and put it toward an asset. Could be investing in a low-cost index fund, buying tools or software to start a small hustle, paying for an online course that upgrades your skills. It's not about having thousands to invest right away. It's about making the habit automatic. So every month, you're planting little money seeds. So the rule is simple. Buy assets first, liabilities later. Do that over and over, and you'll wake up one day realizing your money's working harder than you are. And that's when the game changes. If this made you rethink your spending habits, hit that like button. Got a money rule you swear by? Share it in the comments. And if you want more no-fluff money tips, subscribe. And remember, this rule of money could change your life.